Good, happy Friday to you guys. I feel like just playing today. Let's just do a play page, shall we? Let's just do a play page. I'm gonna just start with this marker. What it is, I don't know. It says it's a Tombow. I'm not sure that I've tried it before. We're gonna make ourselves a nice thick border. And I think I'm going to use some do I want watercolor? Do I want, what do I want? What do I want to use as a medium today? I just want to play. Let's just play with some colors. Let's do some blues and purples and greens. Let's do those colors. Does that look good together? That looks good together. This purple looks a little dark. Let's not do that one. Let's add a pink tone in there, just to kind of, just because. These are water-based markers. They're going to leave a streak, and looks like this one's almost dry. That's okay. Because what I think I'm going to do is drop a little bit of either water or maybe rubbing alcohol on this to just play. But I think this particular marker is pretty much done for. That one's going in the garbage. Okay, let's make a pink stripe in here too. Well, that's much better. Much juicier. Oh, it's mixing with my Tombow at the edges. Great. Okay. And it makes the paper swell up and is this going to be perfect? I don't even know what I'm doing, so it can't be perfect, right? This is play. Play is just for fun. It has nothing to do with completion. It has nothing to do with perfection. Oh, there's another dry marker. I guess I use these blues a lot in my work. Okay, well, we're going to scribble out as much ink out of this pen as I can, and then we're going to toss this one. Might be time for a new set of some kind of water-based marker. These were the cheap ZSCN ones I got gifted to me from this company, so you know, I've had them quite some time. Well, that's okay. That one's a done. Oh yeah, there's a big difference in juiciness. And I think I want a little bit more of this green. And perhaps just a hint of that pink back in there. Maybe up here. Okay, so now what are we gonna do? Maybe play with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. If I put my, I don't want to ruin my play page, so I'm gonna put my silicone mat down. Like that. And we're going to play with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I don't know if rubbing alcohol is going to do anything, but you know what? just playing. We are just playing. Let me put a little bit in the cap. Just a little bit in the cap. Okay, can you guys see anything? No, you are too close. Let me zoom you out a little bit. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to put little drops. See if it does anything. Not really, because this is a water-based and not alcohol-based marker. Doesn't really do anything. Okay, well, that was a thought that didn't go anywhere. Cool, cool, cool. Water. Do I want to try to spread it around with a little water, maybe? Let's try that. Where's my water? Oh, knocking things over. Let's try a brush and some water. What will that do? Will that do anything? Or will it just ripple up my paper? Oh, it'll just ripple up my paper. Okay. Well, that's just making lumps and bumps. Not doing really anything either. Oh, kind of. Oh, it is doing something. Okay. I take that back. It's doing something. What's it doing, though? I don't really know. Okay. Shall we dry that? Let's dry that and see what it does. Oops. Dropping things. We're gonna dry. We're gonna be way over here. Alrighty, that is more or less dry. Dry enough. So now what am I going to do with this? Because I don't like it. But it's not bad. It's not terrible. It needs something. It needs... We're just going to put black marks. Guess I'm just going to divide those into color swatches because that kind of is what's going on here. Like that. Let's do some swirls because I like swirls. Let's do some okay. Do I have a plan? I don't. I'm gonna leave that. No, that one's gonna get white or silver or something. Maybe silver. I've got a silver. Make sure it's really mixed up good. It's mixed, but it won't come out. Come on. Is it showing up? Can we see it? Not really. You can't see the silver, but I'm putting it in places anyway. Just to give it a little sparkle when you turn it into the light. Because you can see it if you turn it into light. See? Okay. That's all I'm going to do for today. You know what? Today was just a play page. Another play page. Because, you know, you need to play. You just do. You need to play. Take your time to play. I want to make us play space. After we retire, my girlfriend and I, she's currently an art teacher, and I do this. And we want to make a physical space using our church facilities to make a play space for art. And I don't know what that's going to look like yet. If you guys have an idea of what that could or should look like, let me know. But we want to make some sort of creative space where people can get together and just play with their art supplies. Bring their own. We could provide some, and I don't know if we're going to do lessons or if we're just going to play together. I don't know. We don't have a concrete idea, but we do know we want to do something for the community, and we want to have a place where people can get together and just play with their art supplies and learn new things, learn new techniques, just encourage one another, and play. So if you have any ideas, please do let me know in the description box below. I mean, not the description box, in the comments. What would you like in your community? What would spark your interest if you saw it like on a meetup page or in an advertisement on Facebook or something? What would spark your interest in a physical community space to get together and do art? I don't know what to do, but I've kind of looked around and there isn't anything. There's nothing in our community that's like this. And so we kind of have to be like grassroots, start our own, do our own thing. But what? I do not know. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I will see you guys later. Love y'all. Thank you for being here with me. Bye-bye.